Hello everyone, and welcome to today's full tour of the new Mercedes EQS. This car represents the pinnacle of luxury and electric innovation, and I can't wait to take you through all of its incredible features. The EQS is more than just a car, it's a statement of the future, blending cutting-edge technology with unparalleled comfort and performance. At first glance, the EQS immediately grabs attention with its sleek aerodynamic design. Mercedes has crafted this vehicle to be as efficient as it is stylish, with every curve and detail optimized for maximum performance. From its signature LED light bar to its seamless bodywork, the EQS looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing you notice is the EQS's striking front end, featuring the signature black panel grille with an integrated star pattern. The full-width LED light strip gives the car a futuristic presence, and when viewed from the side, you can see how the smooth lines create an almost spaceship-like effect. The aerodynamic design is not just for looks, it dramatically reduces drag, making the EQS one of the most efficient electric cars on the market. The flush door handles, sculpted body, and sloping roofline all contribute to its sleek profile. Plus, with the optional AMG package, you get an even sportier stance, enhanced wheels, and aggressive styling cues. Moving to the rear, the continuous LED taillight design further enhances the car's futuristic aesthetic. The rear diffuser and subtle spoiler improve aerodynamics while maintaining a clean and elegant look. Every detail is designed to make the EQS look as futuristic as possible. Now, let's step inside the cabin where the real magic happens. The interior of the EQS is a masterpiece of modern luxury and technology. The first thing that catches your eye is the massive Hyperscreen, a full-width digital display that integrates the instrument cluster, infotainment and passenger display into a single piece of glass. This is the future of in-car technology, offering seamless control of navigation, entertainment and vehicle settings. The materials used in the EQS are nothing short of premium. From the soft leather seats to the intricate ambient lighting system, everything is designed to create a first-class experience. The seats offer heating, cooling and even a massage function, ensuring maximum comfort on every journey. One of the standout features is the rear passenger experience. With executive seating, reclining seats, and a full entertainment system, the EQS is just as luxurious in the back as it is in the front. If you're being chauffeured, this is the car you want to be in. Now let's talk about performance. The EQS comes in multiple configurations, but the most powerful version, the AMG EQS, delivers over 700 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. For an electric luxury sedan, that's seriously impressive. The ride quality is unmatched thanks to its adaptive air suspension. The car glides over bumps and imperfections, making every drive feel smooth and effortless, and with rear-wheel steering, the EQS is surprisingly agile for its size, making city driving and parking much easier. When it comes to range, the EQS doesn't disappoint. With a fully charged battery, it can travel over 400 miles on a single charge, depending on the driving conditions. And with fast charging capabilities, you can add hundreds of miles of range in just minutes at a high-speed charging station. Of course, no luxury EV would be complete without advanced driver assistance features. The EQS includes Mercedes' latest semi-autonomous driving system, allowing for hands-free driving on certain highways. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking ensure a secure driving experience. So, is the Mercedes EQS the future of luxury electric vehicles? From its stunning design and cutting-edge technology to its impressive performance and range, this car is a game changer. It sets a new benchmark for what an EV can be, combining sustainability with the luxury that Mercedes-Benz is known for. What do you think of the EQS? Would you choose this over a traditional gas-powered luxury sedan? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and in-depth tours.